Established in 2006, Guangdong Metie Mechanical Company Limited is specialized in pneumatic products, with a combination of R&D, manufacturing, sales, and service. Meite offers a complete range of air nailers, staplers, fasteners, accessories, spray guns, air tools, etc., for different industries such as furniture, construction, packaging, upholstery, and so on. After 16 plus years development, Meite has become one of the leading manufacturers for pneumatic products in China. Our 70,000 square meter plants are equipped with the latest CNC machineries, heat treatment, forging, and painting equipments, etc. Most technical engineers are the elites in the line, and the sales team are all experienced, with good communication skill. Meite always listens to the users in the field and produces the tools and fasteners to meet their needs, providing high-quality products and satisfactory services for the global customers. Currently, Meite's products have been sold to more than 100 countries and regions. The main markets are Southeast and Middle East Asia, etc. In specific countries, Meite has set up agents and distributors, offering efficient after-sales service for the users. Besides, 2 overseas cooperation companies have been set up in USA and India to directly supply the products and better serve the customers locally. Apart from Meite brand products, OEM service is available to meet various requests. To know more about us, welcome to visit our factory.